The cocktail that we're going to be doing today is called an Intro to Aperol. It was created by a New York City bartender named Audrey Saunders for the ill-fated Pegu Club, which closed its doors permanently during the COVID pandemic, or the ongoing pandemic. This is one of my absolute favorite cocktails, and this is a very good way to introduce people to bitter aperitivo liqueurs. Okay, first thing we're going to do, grab a tin, and then we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, 1/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, and 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, 1 ounce of London dry gin, and 2 ounces of Aperol. Let's give this guy a nice hard shake for 8 to 10 seconds. And we're going to double strain it into a coupe. This coupe is about 6 ounces here. And so you want to make sure you get that nice wash line. Then for a garnish, we're going to just do a lemon twist. Voila, the Intro to Aperol. Let's give it a taste. So it's nice and tart, and you get all that lemon. But the sugar from the Aperol and the simple syrup together balances out that lemon really nicely. You still get this nice intense lemon flavor. Part of that is because we used a squeezer, which traps the oils, and so we have all those nice lemon oils from the peel, but then also we did a little spritz on top to really bring up those lemon flavors. You get the gin and those botanicals right on the back of your palate. And then of course you get the Aperol flavor, which is going to be kind of orangey, bright, and very bitter, but not as bitter as Campari. Now here's the thing, I know a lot of you guys are gonna ask me about subs. You can sub this gin out for just about anything, and there's a lot of, New World style gins that will do very well in here. Really botanical gins will do well. Something like Plymouth, you want a little bit of a more earthy flavor, is gonna do nicely in this. And of course those London dries with the accentuated citrus and juniper is what this cocktail was created with, so of course those will do well. The tricky thing is gonna be sub out the Aperol. The Aperol is a very specific type of bitter aperitivo, which is kind of tends towards the sweet and not so much towards the bitter like Campari would. And there are a lot of bitter aperitivos on the market. Some are a little bit more Aperol style, some are a little bit more Campari style. And if you switch that out, you're gonna be changing this cocktail a lot. That's not to say that you shouldn't. And I'm sure that you guys can do a lot of exploration in changing this cocktail with those bitter aperitivos, but just so you know, because the ingredients are proprietary in those particular liqueurs, you're gonna change the flavor profile a lot when you do that.